Why Buy Shopping Cart is a fun-filled activity in our beginner level Python program. In this activity, we make you the owner of an online bakery. To see how this activity works and how similar activities are used to teach Python in our programming course, do check out our website www.whybyte.in. Coming back, however, you are the owner of this bakery. You expect this customer to enter 1 to 5 to select an item, 6 to proceed to checkout. Unfortunately, a mischievous user comes by and enters 0. Now, this looks like a strange input, but look what your program does. It says you selected cupcake and asks how many units you want to purchase. So I, for example, say 7. Next, the mischievous user thinks, okay, let me try my luck and let me try to put say -3 in there. And again, it says you selected ice cream. How many units you wish to purchase? Mischievous user gets even bolder, says, let me try, let's say, 7 units again and put minus this time 10. But we see that now the program finally crashes. What is going on here? Why did the program accept 0 or -3 as inputs, but why did it fail at, say, -10? The main point is that lists can be indexed using non-negative numbers, which means 0, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, which we usually do. But lists can also be indexed using negative numbers, except that when we index lists using negative numbers, we in fact index them from the reverse side. So when my user is giving 0, for example, and I look at menu order -1, in fact, I'm looking at menu 4, which is cupcake, which is what we saw. If my user puts -3, I look at menu -3 -1, which is menu -4, and hence I look at ice cream. But if I go and put -7, then I go out of this list, and hence I get the error. Let's go back to our code and see how we can even fix this. Well, so first thing first, look at our list menu. It has all these items. Like I said, menu -1 is in fact cupcake. Menu minus, say, -4 is, let's say, ice cream. But menu minus, anything more less than -5 will be a problem. So if I go and say menu -7, that is going to cause an error. Now, really, we wouldn't want this situation to come in. So we will want to make it a little bit more clear. And we can do that by saying if order is less than 5 and order is greater than 0. Now, the moment I do this, everything else remains the same. And this time round, if I come in and let's say I try to be mischievous, I give 0 as an input, my program doesn't allow that. It says, sorry, that was not a valid input. So quite easy to fix, but good to understand how list indexing works this way. I hope you like this. If you want to see more such programs, more such fun activities through which we learn programming, do check out our website. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.